For today's project, we will be using 8-inch embroidery hoops, a pack of wooden dowels, 2 4-inch round mirrors that I got from Dollar Tree, strong adhesive, I use Fix-All that I also got from the Dollar Tree, mosaic tiles, and I'm using them in the gold. And last, we'll need some gold metallic spray paint. I'm using Rust-Oleum. You want to take your wooden dowels, take one, and you want to measure the width, the inside width of your embroidery hoop. You can use a measuring tape to measure, or you can cheat like I did and just take a pen and make your mark. Now you want to cut it at the mark. I'm using a steak knife to score it. Once I score it all the way around, I will just take my hand and snap it at the score. Take the dowel, place it in the middle of the hoop. Then you want to continue adding dowels all the way around, separating them by the same measurements all the way around so that your mirror will fit on top. I'm using leftover dowel pieces that I had from another project. Once you've gotten all your dowels laid out, you want to eye it or you want to measure it to make sure that they're all equally spaced. Then you cut them all to length. On the second hoop, you want to remove the metal clips. I just used some pliers and snipped them off. And then I took wood glue and I glued the hoop together. Now I'll follow the same steps that I did with the first hoop to install the wooden dowels. I also use the Fix-All along with the hot glue to glue them in place. I decided to use the wood glue along with the Fix-All for a better hold. When all the dowels was added to the embroidery hoop, I took it outside to be spray painted with the metallic gold paint by Rust-Oleum. I'm back inside, and both my hoops have been spray painted with the Rust-Oleum gold metallic paint, and I sprayed them on both sides. I have my 3-inch round mirrors and my mosaic tiles that I've cut into 1-row strips. My mosaic tile will go around the outside of the embroidery hoop, and the mirror will go on the inside, touching the inside of the wheel. Before attaching the glass, you want to make sure that you're attaching it on the side where there is a drop down. The drop down will ensure that the mirror will lay flat and not protrude. Now we are ready to add our tiles to the outside of the embroidery hoop. Take your time and take care in using the mosaic tiles so that they don't stick together and your project will be beautiful. All my mosaic tile has been added to the perimeter of the hoop, and now we're ready to glue in our mirrors. You want to lay them on a flat surface. For me, I'm using a strong bonding glue to adhere my mirrors. I want to lay my mirror, figure out where I'm going to put it. I want to make sure that I remove the black tabs on the back and there's no glue left. Once you figure out where you're going to lay your mirror, you want to lift it and begin to apply the glue to the dowels. Only going up high enough just so that you will be able to adhere the mirror. When laying down your mirror, take care that you push down securely and add something heavy on top until your mirror has dried. The mirror is turning out beautiful already, but we're going to keep going and adding more embellishments. Around the mirror. Real simple. When you cut them into short strips, it's easier to handle. So that's what I've done. And I'm putting them on the wheel. As close to the mirror as I can get and making it as straight as I can get it. I'm gonna do that for both the mirrors, or both the embroidery hoops. And then once I do that, now some people, you can go a little further with this. If you have some lighting, fairy lights, you could put on the back side of the mirror or around here. I'm not gonna do that because I don't want mine to light up. That I haven't even decided where I'm gonna put them, but I'm gonna finish putting the mosaic mirrors on here. I might go as far as putting some on the perimeter of the mirror to make it look fresh. If I don't do that, I may put some bling around the mirror, but that'll be all that I'll do to that, and then I'll put it on the wall. And I will be back to show you guys what it looks like when the process is completed. And here is my completed project. I did do 2 more hoops because this is my stairway and I wanted to fill the space. The larger embroidery hoop is 12 inches with a 6-inch mirror. And as you can see, I did bling around the mirror and also the top side of the embroidery hoop. This is a 10-inch embroidery hoop and the 4-inch mirror. Here I'm standing at the bottom of the stairs to give you a different angle of how they are on the stairs. Again, I think it's simply beautiful. And here it is from another angle on the top stairs. And if you guys have enjoyed this video and its content, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so you'll know when I have upcoming videos. Tell a friend And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Again, you guys have a wonderful, wonderful evening, and God bless. I'll see you in the next one.